once again, this is Angel Oman
Tom,
with baby.
Faith,
We are the team,
Tom Chel,
the Familie,
Vincla,
from Pearl Farm, Samal, Philippines with...
Maayong adlaw.
Maayong ladlaw.
You want rice, Uda? You want rice? Rice. What do you want? Rice. What's the chicken tocino? On pork. Ay, hello po. On bread. You want bread? Get some bread.
Maayong hapon po.
Yes, maayong hapon. So, ngayon lang kami nag-video para sa aming 4th day sa Pearl Farm.
Yeah.
Kasi
Last night.
stay ano lang kami. Hindi man last day, tomorrow last day. Kasi nag-stay lang kami sa room, relaxing. Doon din kami nag-take out sa aming foods. Yun, kasi nag-eating si Baby Faith. Yan. Okay, so tingnan natin ang ating 4th day.
Yeah.
Today. Loose kids?
Okay.
Baby, dito.
Hello everyone, Harrison!
Welcome po sa aming Day 4 na pagstay dito sa isa sa best beach resorts here in Mindanao.
Philippines!
Walang iba kundi ang...
Best Beach Resort!
At bago nyo po panoorin ang buong videong ito, make it sure na napanood nyo na po our videos from
Day 1, Day 2, Day 3,
dahil ito'y bagong araw na naman at bagong fun and happy experience naming tatlo dito sa Pearl Farm Beach Resort here in Samal Island.
Good afternoon. Maayong hapon po. Maayong hapon po.
Cool as
T U V W X Y Z.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! Dito tayo. Wow! Wow, you ano? Your bag? Wow! Ito yung ano, paghapon na. Oh? Hapon na, babe. It's sunset. Sunset? Sunset fancy. It's a fortnight here. Yan. So, yun. Fortnight. Medyo silent ngayon. Kahapon Sunday. Ay, kahapon Sunday yun. Sunday maraming tao.
Yo, Angel 01, Team Tom Joe, and Familia Winkler. We're here at Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Here we go, come on!
Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara, aduna ta.
Have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island.
Come on, Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara, aduna ta.
Have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island.
Saan? Malin. I will take a stick, no? Kasi no, a stick? Kay Malin?
Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara, aduna ta.
Have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island.
Come on, Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara, aduna ta.
Have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island.
Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara, aduna ta.
Have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island.
Come on, Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara, aduna ta.
Have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island.
Love you, Pearl Farm.
I like you, Benson.
I love you, Pearl Farm. Angel 01 with baby.
She.
We are the team.
Benson.
The Familie
Ninja.
from Germany with
Love.
Tara, tugod-tugod pool. Okay, go. Wow, ang galing ni Baby Fit.
think she's a little bit not she feels not really safe in the open water. You can see.
Oh, she's really good. Wow, wow, oh, hala.
Guck mal hier.
Wow, yeah.
Nein.
Shots here, sit in and then ano here.
Baby shark. Raus? Ice.
So, nag-change kami ng place. Pool.
New toy.
So,
The loose stone.
yes. Shotzi, bakit tayo, Shotzi, bakit tayo nag-transfer? Shots, why tayo nag-transfer? Because Baby Faith loves pool
Loves the pool, yeah.
more. Wow. Yeah. It's Monday. So, fortnight. That's in a fortnight. So, nandito na naman ang gwapang gardener sa Pearl Farm.
Mama, kiss Papa.
Okay.
Mama, kiss Papa.
In fairness, alam ng staff na nagdidilig si Baby Fit dito. So, nalulunod na yan. Pero yun, kinukonsider nila. Kasi nga, yun, kids friendly sila dito. Okay? Pero kami, ikokontrol din namin si Baby Faith. O, diba? Yun. Oh, tingnan mo si Baby Faith. Baby Faith. Wow, gisen, watering the plants. Very good ang Baby Faith, no? Yeah. So, yun. Last night na namin here. Whew. Hindi ako maligo kasi I'm not feeling well. Yung mainit sa labas, saligo na ako kanina. And then, pumasok kami sa naka-aircon. At saka yung mahilig ako sa warm water. So, this past days dito sa Pearl Farm, so more ako cold drinks, fresh juices. So, parang, yun, nagkaroon ako ng sipon. Yun, sipon. Oh. Pero okay pa. Okay lang, lumalaban. Tingnan natin dito. Shotzi, what do you feel? It's your last night here.
I want to stay for free forever.
Oh my goodness, forever.
Only relaxing.
And the storm also?
Yes.
And windy?
Yes.
You said that it's cold water here in the pool.
No.
Ah, me?
Yeah.
Okay. Kasi pag cold water, ayaw din niya
About the
maligo.
whole day. Now it's warm.
It's not cold water?
No.
Okay. So, yun. And then, 30 minutes, magdi-dinner kami dito. Yun, 6:30 p.m. Magdi-dinner kami. So, 6 p.m. pa lang. Yun. So, we will miss our friends. So, we will try makita yun later yung mga old friends namin sa first at saka second visit namin sa Pearl Farm. Kasi, this time, it's our third visit. Yun. Siyempre, papasalamatan din namin yung mga old friends namin from the first visit namin. Si Sir Nelson, si Dave. Yun, sa housekeeping. Si Sir Nelson naman dito naman sa pool about abdi kay maghatag og towels. And then sa second visit namin si Sir Aldrin. And then third visit din. At saka may mga new friends kami, si Sir Jeric, sa Resto. Grabe yung pag-alaga din niya sa amin. At saka si Sir Jelmar, partner in crime ni Sir Nelson sa pagbigay ng towel here sa pool.
So anyway, short story muna tayo. Remembering this amazing staff na nag-accommodate din sa amin from our first and second staycation here. Meet Kuya Nelson na if magbigay ng towel sa amin sa beach or sa infinity pool ay super fast at alisto. To Kuya Rob na most of our meals siya nag-serve sa amin sa resto. Isama pa ang special picnic namin doon sa isla ng Malipano na siya at ang kanyang kasama sila ang nag-asikaso. Siyempre, di namin malilimutan si Sir Dante na sa aming first time stay dito dati sa Monday House 3, siya naman ay pool aid doon pero naging instant photographer po namin siya dahil yun ang kanyang pusang suhestyon. And look at our pictures. Parang professional photographer ang pagkakuha, di ba? And thumbs up to our friend Dave na happy kami na nakita namin siya uli not only sa first kundi sa second at now sa third time stay namin dito. Anyway, siya lang naman and his housekeeping buddy noon na si Elle ang nag-resolve sa rust sa aking black and white bikini na regalo sa akin ni Habi na aksidenteng nagkaroon ng rust sa shower nila. Kaya to the rescue silang dalawa. Kahit pabalik-balik na at late na sa gabi, makapag-update lamang sila to me and Habi. Kahit konti na lang yung rust, sila Dave talaga ay still nag-worry and still doing their best that the rust will remove or will fade kahit konti. Kaya di talaga namin silang dalawa malilimutan sa housekeeping dahil to the highest level lang naman ang pag-address nila sa aming concern. In additional pa sila Ma'am Wendy at Sir Aldrin dati na always checking if everything is okay or may problems or concerns ba kami sa aming pagstay. So sorry if yung iba di ko na na-mention. Basta lahat po ng staff na nakilala at nag-accommodate here sa amin from our first to third staycation, promise we saw your passion and work dedication. Kaya happy to be here sa exceptional destination na doon lang sa among pinalanggang syudad sa Davao, Pearl Farm Beach Resort here in Samal Island.
So, once again, this is Angel Oman
Tom.
with baby.
Hey.
We are the team, the Familie,
Vinkla.
from Pearl Farm, Samal, Philippines with...
Truly,
Welcome service.
yung service team nila ay nako.
The best.
They said na friendly and nice couple daw kami. Lalo na nag-greet sub si Habi ug Bisaya greetings everyday sa ilaha, mapad drivers, waiters or bisag asa or kinsa man mamit namong duha. Pero sa tinuod lang, ganahan sab mi mo greet sa mga staff nila here. Kay init sab kaayo sila sa mo welcome ug grabe sab kayo sila mo atiman.
Galing, baby shark. Faith! 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 Wow, ang galing ni Baby Faith. Wow! Go, Edna! Yay!
Someone is tired.
Yeah, and then this is our last night here in Pearl Farm. So once again, I am Angel Owen.
Tom.
Baby, the team,
Domchev.
the family
Clan.
from Pearl Farm, Sama, Philippines. Meet love. Good night, everyone.
So, to all, don't forget to take your vitamin C. At to na mo din he. And atangi, ang among next video to be uploaded soon. Kay mauna ang among last day, day 5 na mo din he sa resort. Much love and respect to all.
Sis, this next festival, as we to say, bye-bye.
Maghang salamat po.
Salamat po.